Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for us. So in this video I will show you how to log Messenger app. So it will be really useful video. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to go to your phone interface. Firstly go to your Messenger and there you will get three dot option. So click on this and you have to click on setting and scroll down here and you will find privacy and safety options. So click on this and there you will get app lock. So click on app lock and you have to turn it on. Provide your fingerprint and so I will click on after I leave Messenger. So if I leave Messenger and after click on Messenger and it is asking for fingerprint. So if I provide fingerprint then it will unlock automatically. Thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.